Good morning all. Welcome to our computer class. Today we are going to learn our new lesson. Yes, lesson number 3. Name of lesson, Know Your Computer Parts. In this lesson we are going to cover some topics. There are topics, input and output devices, main parts of computer and other parts of computer. Can you see the computer picture here? Yes. Now, I will explain one by one. Yes, children. Now you can see there is a computer. Right, you can see there is a monitor, keyboard, speaker, mouse, CPU. There are many parts. You also have body parts like your nose, eyes, ears. With the help of ears, what we can do? We can listen music. Using our hands, we can write. Using our nose, we can smell, right? Similarly, computer have also body parts. But remember one thing, it's not a living thing, right? It's a machine. It's work on our commands, right? So, the body parts of computer work together and perform many functions. Some of the body parts are input devices and some of them are output, right? So I will explain them one by one. You can see there is some input and output devices. You can see the parts. You can see this is monitor and printer. These are the output devices. Keyboard, mouse, these are the input devices. You can see there is a system unit, that is CPU. And storage device, that is pen drive. Now I will explain it one by one. Okay. Input and output devices. Input device means what? Input devices are parts of the computer which takes data from the user. Right? Suppose I will give one example for you. If your teacher is saying stand up, what you do? You are standing, right? That means your teacher gives you one input line, a command that you need to stand up, and you will give the output by standing, right? Sometimes teachers say clap one time. That what happen? You are clapping one time. That means input is here clap one time given by the teacher, and output is clapping done by you, right? Now, input devices are parts of computer which takes data from the user. That means I will give information or the user will give the information to the computer, right? It's an input device. We can give information, data using keyboard, using mouse, right? Now output device means what? Output devices are those parts which show the work done by user on the computer, right? Now I will explain the next one here. Input and output devices. The part of computer which accept commands is the input device. You can see here the pictures, right? First one is keyboard, then monitor, and the next one is printer. Here the keyboard gives input. That means it types. And where we can see the output? On the monitor, right? Yes, if you want a printout, that means a hard copy, we can take it by using the printer, right? The part of computer which accept commands is the input device. Then computer works on the command and shows the result. The result is shown on the output device. That means you can see here monitor is also output device and the printer is also output device. Now the next one, main parts of computer. In first picture we can show or see some parts, right? This one is monitor, CPU, speaker, keyboard, mouse, speakers, printer. These are the basic parts of computer. There are many more parts of computer. I will explain one by one. Now, first one, monitor. Can you see there is a monitor? Yes. It displays the work that we do on the computer. It looks like a television. Can you see? It's look like a television? Yes. We can watch cartoons, movies on the computer. It's a output device. Monitor is output device. Now I will show the next one. Yes, it's a black box, right? It's CPU. It's a central processing unit, which is the main processing device of computer. It works on your command and shows the work done on the monitor. CPU is also known as brain of a computer. Okay, the next one is keyboard. It is input device used for typing. We can type letters, poems, essay, some information, some documents we can complete, right, using the keyboard. Now keyboard is an input device. Now the next one, mouse. It's an input device. It is pointing device. It is used to select icons, objects on the computer. We can use mouse for drawing also, right, in paint function. Now the next one is other parts of computer. UPS. UPS is a machine which keeps the computer on during the power cut off for a short time. Suppose we are working now and the light is gone. So what happened? Power is cut off, but computer needs electricity. Yes. So UPS is a machine which keeps the computer on during the power cut off for a short time period. In that period we can save our work. Okay. The next one, input device, microphone. It helps us to record your voice. We can also use it for recording audios, recording musics. Okay. Now the next one is scanner. It is also an input device. It helps us to scan our pictures and documents on computer. A scanner is a machine which takes copy of paper or pictures and save it on a computer. It helps us to scan your pictures and documents on the computer. It can be stored. Now the next one is output device. Yes, it's a printer. We can take a soft copy using it. If you want a print of work that we do on the computer, we can get it printed on the paper form from the printer, right? It uses ink and blank papers. Now the next one is, these are also some parts of computer. These are the output devices, speaker and the headphones. Using speaker, it is used to listen music and other recordings that are stored on the computer, right? And the next one is headphone. We can use headphone for listening music also and other audio without disturbing anyone or anyone else. You wear it on your ears. When you are using your headphones, you cannot disturb anyone. You can listen that music or audios, only you can listen, not everyone. But when you are using speaker, the voice is going to everyone. That means it spread voice in that particular room or that particular area. But headphones are not spreading that much voice. They are only for users, that one particular person who is wearing the headphones. In this way, we know the computer parts. Okay.